Hi everybody, my name is Victoria Waller, Chair of the London Disability Wales Annual Conference entitled A Day in My Life. Today's going really well. I think everyone's enjoying it, I hope so. So really enjoying my day as usual, love doing this. I've enjoyed working with and meeting all of our delegates, the people giving them presentations. We've had Nature Change Cardiff Uni together in one presentation, and then we've had Betsi, Cadwaladr and Cardiff Council. So yeah, it's been really good. Hope everyone's enjoyed it as much as I have.
So I'm Catherine Whitfield. I'm a Programme Manager at the North Wales Together programme, and I'm also an advisor on the London Disability Wales Board of Trustees. It's always a fabulous day, always look forward to it. I'm very proud that we're lovely and chill in North Wales. We love having London Disability Wales up here. Highlights, the Engage to Change was absolutely brilliant. Always enjoy the workshops.
Hi, I'm Sean and I work for Mencap Cymru, and I've really enjoyed being at London Disability Wales Conference today in North Wales. It's been really exciting speaking to people, hearing about their experiences. I've been particularly interested in hearing about people's views on day services and the impact of the pandemic on the services themselves. So yeah, really enjoyed being here and looking forward to going to South Wales next week.